Back at 7:26, as more Texans across the state get back to work, some local health officials are concerned that there could be a rise of new cases if social distancing guidelines aren't followed. So KXAN photojournalist Julie Karam got the chance to speak with a doctor at UT Health Austin about what you should be aware of before you head out the door.
I think here in Central Texas, we have done pretty well with the virus. Our numbers right now seem to be a little more stable, but we're watching them very, very, very closely. And so I think it is a very difficult balance to try to figure out how to open up. We still have so many things that are unknown about the virus, whether you've had it, whether you're immune, is there a good antibody test now? And so I think that we are cautiously optimistic based on our performance to date, but we still need to continue to be very, very careful. COVID-19 is still very much with us, and it's going to be with us for a considerable amount of time. And so the types of symptoms that concern us are the ones that we've known about since the very beginning. So symptoms of a fever, symptoms of a sore throat, but some other symptoms have been added to that group. Traditional symptoms have included shortness of breath, cough. Now we consider myalgias or chills. Some patients experience diarrhea and GI upset. Now, what I would recommend to people to stay healthy is to continue to adhere to social distancing as much as they possibly can. You know, a lot of us have learned and adapted to new ways of working and new ways of interacting with others. So as much as possible that we can continue to social distance, it will help keep ourselves safe and our loved ones safe. And then we always have to remember that we could be the vector to carry disease to another person. So trying to maximize social distancing will help keep our community safe.
Dr. Young says you should also remember to wash your hands often and frequently, and if you can avoid close contact with others, do so. But if you find yourself in a situation where you might not be able to do that, then she recommends wearing a mask if possible. We're committed to helping you learn about your health along with our partner, the American Heart Association. For resources and easy tips to live healthier, head to KXAN.com and click on Simple Health.